I've been involved in this club since '83, and this is the first time that we've got something like this going. So we've done it in the harbor, just with a couple of boats. But this is the first time we've pushed it out to go out and actually do the, go down the lake, go down past the highway, and let everybody else see what we got. I think on this I've got 8 reels and 55 feet of lights, and I'm only drawing 40 watts. It's not even not even like a hairdryer.
You can hear the air just go right out of it.
This afternoon we did one gentleman's boat over on E-Dock. We were done in about 20 minutes. And it's a lot of fun. And it's a way to show the community that sailing isn't all that serious. It's a lot of fun, and it's like anything. It's what you make of it. From Portman or Big Water Sailing Club, and do a big die-in and have a toy drop-off location over at Green Pond for next year's event.
I think once people see it, we're going to have a lot more people next year. Oh, that's good. So, especially if you get it on the books and everybody knows it's there.